What if I told you there was a way that you can grow your Bitcoin mining power without buying any more equipment, without logging in every single day, and without lifting a finger? This one feature in GoMining is changing the game. And if you're not using it, you're leaving serious money on the table. Now let me show you exactly how I plan on compounding my earnings every single day, and how you can too. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today's deep dive is all about GoMining strategies, specifically the auto reinvest feature. This is probably the easiest way that you can grow your power without buying additional miners. Stick around because I'm not only going to break down how it works, I will show you my plan for the next 30 days. But let's quickly talk about what makes GoMining so powerful in this strategy in particular. First, you don't need any physical miners. Second, you're not going to be spending thousands of dollars on your electricity bill. Third, GoMining is backed by real hardware and real miners. Finally, number 4, this one is my favorite, and it is payouts in Bitcoin every 24 hours. Alright, so now we are inside of my account. As you can see, I have 4 miners and this bonus one as well. Every miner has different power and different efficiency. So my total power is 34.4 terahashes. Hopefully after we get done with this experiment, it will be much higher than that. My efficiency is 20.43, and this is my discount as of right now. So what I plan on doing is taking all the profits that these miners make and reinvesting it back automatically into power in order to grow my terahashes so I can make more Bitcoin daily. When we go over to the rewards section, you will see the daily Bitcoin payouts that I'm making. And as of right now, I'm making $2.02 worth of Bitcoin every single day. But my goal is to make much more. $5, $10, $50, $100 a day. Slowly but surely, we will get there. Alright, so now let's talk about the reinvesting strategy. So when we go over to the settings, you will have to scroll down until you see the rewards settings. When you press on this, you're going to have multiple options. As you can see right now, my maintenance is paid with the GoMining tokens. This gives you a 20% discount. Also, the rewards protection is turned on as well. This protects me from negative payouts. And then on the bottom, you are going to see the reinvestment tab. This is the one that will allow me to reinvest straight into my power. So what we are going to do is we are going to activate this one. And once you activate it, you are going to have 2 options. Option number 1 is instead of receiving Bitcoin as payments every single day, you are going to be receiving GoMining tokens. So if I simply select the first option, I'll be getting 4.2 GoMining tokens daily. But if I select the terahashes, this will directly reinvest all of my profits directly into the miner and earn me 0.18 terahashes every single day. And then the best part is you get to choose which miner you want the power to go to. And let's quickly talk about why choosing the right miner is very important. So as you can see, I have 3 different options. The key here is to pick the miner that already has the highest amount of terahashes. That way the 5% bonus that you are getting will be much higher, and the rewards will compound much faster. So for example, when we press this, the option that I'm going to choose is this miner right here. This miner has 9 terahashes. But before I switch over to this option, I will go back and I'm going to upgrade that miner simply because I have about 70 GoMining tokens and I want to upgrade it to 10 terahashes. So we are going to quickly upgrade this. We are going to press next. We're going to pay with crypto. All right. That will cost us 63 GoMining tokens. We are going to press pay. We are going to confirm. So now my miner has officially been upgraded to 10 terahashes. We are starting out at an even number. So what I plan on doing is an experiment for 30 days. For the next 30 days, all the power, all the profit that I mine will be automatically reinvested into this specific miner. And we are going to see at the end of the 30 days, we are going to see how many terahashes we have accumulated. And we're going to see after here how much we end up making every single day. Right now, we are making $2.02. But in 30 days, I will make another video showing you exactly how much power I have accumulated. So stay tuned for that video. And now let's officially confirm this strategy, and let's go back to settings and change it. All right, so we are going to go back to the reward settings. We are going to press the reinvestment. We are going to select the terahashes, and now we are going to choose our miner. We're going to select this one that has 10 terahashes. And now we are officially saving the settings, and in 30 days, we're going to see the results. And here's why this feature is so powerful. First off, it removes all emotion. Second, there's no timing the market. It literally reinvests into your miner automatically. Third, you don't have to be on the platform 24/7 looking for deals, trying to upgrade at specific times. None of that. And finally, it is automation that builds wealth in the background. You are earning more power hashes while you sleep. It is not just about mining Bitcoin. It is about building a system that works 24/7. While you work, sleep, or go on vacation, the system will be in the background earning you money. This strategy is not about making $1,000 overnight. It is about building something sustainable that will work in the future and in the long run. The best thing about passive income is that it pays over and over again, year after year. Like I said before, GoMining gives you all the tools, but the auto reinvest feature gives you the leverage. So we are going to let it run. We are going to stick to the plan, and we are going to see the results in 30 days. But that is not all. I will still continue to reinvest into the platform to upgrade my other miners and to grow my terahashes as fast as possible. This is just another way to increase my power much faster. Also, for our 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge, this will probably set us back about 30 days, but after that, we'll be earning much more in Bitcoin, and that will speed up the challenge in the future. In the beginning, it is slow, but after we build, after we reinvest, after we grow our power, the payouts are going to become bigger and bigger. Also, if you want to keep all your crypto safe, make sure to check out the Trezor's wallet. Cold storage is key, especially in bull markets like this one. You want to keep your earnings absolutely safe. Check that wallet out. That concludes this quick video. Let me know in the comment section below, what is your strategy? Are you buying more miners? Are you upgrading power? Are you upgrading efficiency? Are you reinvesting? Drop those strategies in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.